I'm Lokman.
I'm Sharifah.
And we are the owner of this mansionette. We don't have any specific themes, but because we wanted it to be cozy and simple and easy for us to manage the house since we have kids. Okay, why we choose Interior Times is because their price is relatively within our budget. They're also transparent with their pricing.
When we first met our IDs, that is Alvin and also Anson, we just felt that we clicked from that first meet lah. Because they are responsive, they are friendly, and honestly, we are comfortable dealing with them. We would highly recommend Interior Times to others because we are very satisfied with the work delivered by Interior Times.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.